Hey guys, hopefully everybody is having a great day today. Today I will be drinking a bottle of Sprite. I will challenge again by Mago TV. I was gonna do the other challenges, but unfortunately I don't have any crop tops, so I don't think this is gonna happen. But yeah, it's something I can consider. Like, I really don't have a beer belly anymore. Because I lost 40 pounds, but yeah. I don't know, 7-Eleven, they be having different sized drinks. Today, they actually gave me the 591 milliliters, so it's like 91 milliliters that requested. Because initially he asked for the 500 milliliter Sprite. So, yeah, let's get it. I mean, without, basically, or just drinking and chugging it, if that makes sense. God dang. This explains why this girl that was delivering my stuff from 7-Eleven was happy and excited to actually give me the drink. She must have been shaking it in the car the whole time. Okay. Yeah. Cheers. Dang, I couldn't drink it all. Only this natural way. Yeah, I tried. Dang. But let me finish this. Yeah, I couldn't get it down in one sitting, so it was like basically 2 drinks. Yeah, my bad. I couldn't do the 2 setting. I mean, I couldn't do it in 1 setting. Yeah, I'm full. For real, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. It's not really that much footage, but yeah, hopefully you guys actually enjoyed me drinking that. I felt like that was a big burp. Excuse me. But yeah, that felt like a good burp. But yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video. Let me know if you enjoyed this video and let me know what you would like me to drink next or do next. Yeah. Yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video. I thought I had to burp, but didn't. Yeah, that was interesting. See you guys on the next video.